Hi, we're the Browns.
Brad, Nicole, and Bailey.
And we want to show you all about our Alarm.com smarter home security system.
Come on in.
We have a 1-year-old daughter named Bailey, and we love to use our Alarm.com system to really keep in touch with her while we're at work. Before we had our Alarm.com system, I was calling my mom probably once an hour. I'm a new mother, so being off maternity leave for the first time, I was so nervous. Whenever my mom is taking the baby out for walks and I don't know if she's made it back yet, I get an instant notification when the door is unlocked by my mother. So it's really amazing to have that instant notification and gratification, really, that my child is safe, my mother is safe, and they're in the home safely.
You know, when you're working all day long, every day, especially the both of us, you know, you're always worried you're gonna, miss those magic moments, those milestones in your child's life. The ability to just kind of take a time out at work and then go onto my phone and just hit, our living room camera and to see her crawling across the floor, it's just a nice little bright spot.
So my favorite feature of the app is a newly released feature called Scenes. You can create your own scene so that it controls everything within the home with a touch of one button. So my favorite button is the Bailey to bed button because it adjusts the temperature in her room based on her temperature sensor. It turns down the lights on this level and dims the light in our bedroom in case we need to get up really quickly and get to her. It arms the system to stay, and then it also locks the front door.
I can access my system from anywhere in the world, whether I'm on vacation, whether I'm at my mom's house or at work. I'm always a finger touch from my home.
And we still get to see her and know that she's fine and have that secure peace of mind that, she'll be sitting there waiting for us when we get home to love and kiss.